Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Hamza from Keep Learning with Hamza. In this lesson, you're going to learn a lot of new words and expressions in Arabic language. So if you are interested in Arabic language learning, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss any video I upload. So let's get started. The first word is marhaban. Marhaban. Practice marhaban. So what does marhaban mean? Marhaban means hello or hi in English language. So marhaban, marhaban. So for example, if you want to say hello my friend or hi my friend, in Arabic we say marhaban sadiqi. Marhaban sadiqi. So hi or hello is marhaban. Sadiqi means my friend. Okay. The second expression is sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. So practice sabahul khair. Again, sabahul khair. So sabahul khair means good morning. Good morning. Sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. Good morning. So if you want to say sabahul khairi ummi. Sabahul khairi ummi. What does that mean? Sabahul khairi ummi means good morning my mother. So my mother means ummi. Sabahul khair means good morning. So sabahul khairi ummi means good morning my mother. Okay. The third expression is masa'ul khair. Masa'ul khair. So what does masa'ul khair mean? Masa'ul khair means good evening. Good evening. Masa'ul khair. So practice masa'ul khair. Again, masa'ul khair. Great. So if you want to say, for example, good evening my wife. For example, in Arabic language we say masa'ul khairi zawjati. Masa'ul khair zawjati. Again, masa'ul khairi zawjati. So my wife is zawjati. My wife is zawjati. Okay, so good evening means masa'ul khair. Masa'ul khair. Okay, the fourth expression or the first word, this is a word, not expression, is na'am. Na'am. So practice na'am. Na'am means yes. Yes, na'am. So practice, this is a little bit different. Na'am. The pronunciation is difficult. Na'am. So na'am, comes from the throat, from here. Na'am. So practice na'am. Na'am. For example, if someone asks you, do you want to go with me? You can say yes. So هل تريد أن تذهب معي? In Arabic language, if you want to say, do you want to go with me? In Arabic we say هل تريد أن تذهب معي? So your answer is going to be yes or no. If yes, you're going to say نعم. If no, you're going to say لا. لا means no. نعم means yes. Okay? The fifth expression is كيف حالك? كيف حالك? كيف حالك? So what does كيف حالك mean? كيف حالك means how are you? How are you? كيف حالك? So practice كيف حالك? كيف حالك? كيف حالك? How are you? For example, if you want to say to your dad, for example, hi dad, how are you? مرحبا أبي كيف حالك? مرحبا أبي كيف حالك? Hi dad, how are you? مرحبا أبي كيف حالك? So كيف حالك here means how are you? The sixth expression is أنا بخير. أنا بخير. أنا means I'm. أنا بخير. So أنا بخير means I'm fine or I'm good. I'm fine. أنا بخير. أنا بخير. أنا I'm fine means بخير. I'm fine. I'm good. Great. The seventh expression is شكرا لك. شكرا لك. شكرا لك. So what does شكرا لك mean? شكرا لك means thank you. Thank you. Or just you're gonna say شكرا without لك. So you can say شكرا or شكرا لك. Both of them are correct. Okay? So شكرا لك. Practice شكرا. شكرا لك. شكرا. شكرا لك. Okay. So the eighth one is, or the eighth expression is أنا أحبك. أنا أحبك. أنا أحبك. So practice أنا أحبك. What does that mean? Okay. أنا أحبك means I love you. I love you. So I means أنا أحبك, love you. أنا أحبك. For example, if you want to tell your wife that you love your wife, so you're gonna say I love you, my wife. For example, in English language we say I love you, my wife. In Arabic we say أنا أحبك زوجتي, or just أحبك زوجتي without use أنا. In English also we use love you, my wife, without use I love you, just say love you, my wife. In Arabic as well we say أحبك زوجتي. Okay, so أحبك or أنا أحبك means I love you. The ninth expression is أنا أيضا. أنا أيضا. أنا أيضا means in Arabic language me too. Me too. أنا me too أيضا. Me too. So أنا أيضا means me too. For practice أنا أيضا. أنا أيضا. Me too. Great. The last expression is وداعا. وداعا. So practice وداعا. وداعا. What does وداعا mean? وداعا means goodbye. Goodbye or bye. Goodbye. وداعا. وداعا. So if you have a conversation with your friends or your coworkers or something like so, you're gonna say goodbye my friends or goodbye guys. So goodbye guys means وداعا يا جماعة. وداعا يا جماعة. Okay? Or وداعا يا رفاق. So goodbye guys or goodbye my friends. So if you want to say goodbye my friends, you're gonna say وداعا يا أصدقاء. أصدقاء means my friends. My friends. Okay? My friends means أصدقاء. وداعا يا أصدقاء means goodbye my friends. So guys, that's it. This is today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it and understand everything. So if you are interested in like these videos on like these lessons, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss everything I upload. So goodbye.